We're making linguine and clam sauce. We put them together with chopped canned clams, and we've also used clam broth from fresh clams. All right, well, the first thing we're gonna do, we put the clams in a colander, and we're gonna just give them one final rinse. They've been scrubbed with the brush, all of them. And once they're done rinsing, we're gonna put them in a separate bowl. Now on the stove, I already have placed about a ½ inch of water in a pan, and we're gonna place the clams in the water, and then they're going to open while they're in there. Most of them will open, a few may not, and if they don't open after a reasonable amount of time, then they are not good. We're going to let that work for a while, and I'm going to get making the actual sauce itself. So I've added about 2/3 of a cup of olive oil to the pan, and once this heats, I'm going to add our other ingredients. We have our chopped clams set aside. I have them taken out of the can, and as you can see, it comes in its own broth. We have the additional broth from the clams themselves. I'm just going to add it together. Okay, so the oil is hot. We're going to add our garlic. We're going to stir it around. We're going to add our red pepper. We're going to add some black pepper to taste. We're going to add some salt. We're going to add our parsley. We're going to use a little bit of oregano, about 1/4 teaspoon. We're going to stir it around. We're going to release the flavors. We're going to next put in our clams. I'm going to add that in here. And then for the piece de resistance, we are going to put our fresh clams in here. Let it fill the clam shells. This way, when you're eating the clams, you have all of that delicious chopped clams and clam juice in there. Our pasta should be cooked. It's perfect, it's al dente. We're going to drain it. We're going to add the pasta to our bowl. We'll put all of the clam sauce, place it right on to the linguine. And we now have the linguine and clam sauce all plated. It's a simple, easy, very presentable dish. Mangia tutti.